Good day everyone, welcome to your daily weather update. I'm John Paulo Di Abrina, always here to keep you informed and prepared for whatever Mother Nature has in store. Today is January 9, 2025, a day as bright and beautiful as the sunshine itself. Now, let's dive into today's forecast. Starting with a look at the cloud coverage. We can see a mix of weather patterns across the General Mariano Alvarez and from some areas. While morning conditions are calm and clear, the increasing cloud cover throughout the afternoon till night signals a possible changes in the weather here at the General Mariano Alvarez. It's advisable to keep updated on the weather forecast and be ready for potential changes in the weather pattern. Now, let's get closer at today's weather. We're joined live by Miss Bantillo, who's on location with an update and give us a more detailed weather report. Over to you, Pam.
Thank you, Abrina. Out here, the weather is giving us a live demonstration of the weather or cloud formation you mentioned earlier. However, there is a distinction in a weather condition here at General Mariano Alvarez. As we can see, some parts here are currently experiencing pleasant weather and clear skies. But however, as we head toward this direction, there is an increase in cloud formation that can cause heavy rain. We're still keeping at the situation and hoping to provide updates as soon as the information are available. Right now, the humidity level is 75%, which is moderate, combined with a weather temperature of 29 degrees Celsius. It feels quite pleasant but slightly sticky. Classic sign of a summer weather. Back to you, Abrina.
Thank you for that report, Pam. Speaking about humidity, let's break down what it means for our weather. Humidity refers to the amount of moisture in the air. When it's high, like above 70%, it can make the air feel heavy and uncomfortable. But when it's low, below 30%, the air feels dry, which can be tough on our skin and our respiratory system. Now, let's talk about temperature. Today's temperature reached 33 degrees Celsius in the morning, while 28 degrees Celsius in the evening, which resulted to fair and calm temperature throughout the day. That's a typical range for this season, but keep an eye on the heat index, which combines temperature and humidity to show how hot it feels. We've seen some changes in weather today, and to update us of what's happening, we're going live with Jason. Jason, what can you see out there?
We can feel that the temperature rises early in this morning. It is crucial to stay hydrated and to protect your skin from the sun. Right now, we are seeing a heat index of 30 degrees Celsius, which is high. So when you are heading outdoors, don't forget your sunscreen, hat, and sunglasses. One interesting thing to note is how the wind interact with nature and the weather. It's significantly hotter today, even with a little wind. So be aware for the sudden gusts because it makes you feel uncomfortable.
Great advice, Jason. Before we wrap up, here's a quick look at the 3-day weather forecast. Make sure to bring your umbrella whether it rains or shines. That's all for today's weather update. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you tomorrow for more on what's happening in the skies. Thanks for listening from your trusted channel, The Weather Pulse.